Hey guys, for today's video, we'll do a very lifestyle review nitong Nissan Terrace. We actually got the chance to try it out, I think a month and a half ago. And I wanted to do like a more techie kind of review of this. And I realized now I can't. And I've got to be honest, I really don't know much about cars. But what I do know is, I love that it's very spacious. So for a mom like me, importante yon. Kasi diba, when we leave the house, kailangan bitbit yung buong bahay, especially if you have a toddler. So I love that it's very spacious. Harap, likod, gitna, maluwag. Yon, for me ha, that's what matters to me sa isang kotse. Also, I love na mataas siya. So yung mga humps, kasi right now, we have a Zafiro, yung mga humps nakakaloka. Pero with this, syempre wala talagang problema at all. And nakita nyo naman, ang gwapo ng car, diba? Tapos red pa, my favorite color sa kotse. Actually, si husband before, hindi nga bet yung red. Pero nung na-experience niya itong Nissan Terra in red, sabi niya, ay, ang ganda pala. So I said to him, yeah, there's a reason why people pay more to have the color red. And then, yan lang, ang safe sa likod, ang ganda niya, and this one, we actually went to this cafe in Tagaytay na talagang parang buwis buhay dahil yung slopes niya ang steep. Pero with the Nissan Terra, wala, ang swabe lang. Parang hindi kami dumadaan sa mga like sobrang pababa o sobrang pataas. Kasi ganun siya ka-swabe, ganun ka ganda yung tinatawag nila, yung parang machinery niya, and ang happy lang na wala talaga kaming naging issues at all. Pero nung tinignan namin yung dinaanan, parang, wow, hindi kakayanin ito ng car namin. So, I would say if you love adventures, if you wanna have a spacious car, definitely go and try out this Nissan Terra kasi super sulit niya, super swabe niya sa rides. Parang ang safe nung dating niya. Ang luwag pa, so comfortable. So basically, everything that you need in the car, andito na sa kanya. Maluwag yung interior, maganda yung labas, safe siya i-drive, swabe, hindi siya yung para kang natatagtag yon, hindi ka natatagtag. And in fairness, it's Nissan. So alam mo naman na maganda kahit yung after sales service nila, which really matters.